Hey kids, JD here. Due to popular demand, I have gone ahead and have purchased more Walmart lenses for a cell phone. How will it turn out? I think we all know, but let's watch the video and find out anyway. Before we do, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, hit me up on social media, and without further ado, let's go out to the field. All right, so once again, we're out here taking a picture of my favorite mountain. So everybody can see the range. You can see, as a matter of fact, let me go ahead and pull this over here. You can see that there is a telephone pole just over to the right, and you can see maybe some trees over there. So let's go ahead and put one of these lenses on and see what happens. Okay, and there we go. You can see that this is the allegedly 180 degree fisheye lens. You can see that over here is the telephone pole, and I think the trees were over here, so it's definitely extended the field of view. I would say this is not 180 degrees, but it's a fair, wider field of view. Now, the thing to look at here is all of the distortion. Well, actually, this side is worse than this side is, and maybe that can be fixed, maybe it can't be. You're gonna get distortion. Yeah, there's a little more distortion on this side on this side than there is on this side. That's weird. But you can see the center is fairly sharp. The exposure looks good. Yeah, but there's just so much weird distortion over here. I'm not sure how useful it would be. Okay, let's go ahead and let's try the other lens. Okay, once again for reference, here is the telephone pole and little cluster of trees over here. All right, here we go with the wide angle. Okay, so here we go. Telephone pole over here, little cluster of trees over there. It's definitely a wider field of view, but look at that tree over here. Let's see if we can do anything. I mean, the center of the frame is really good, but progressively the farther out you get, the worse it gets. Let's move this over a bit. Let's see. And we can focus on the tree. We can focus on the mountain. We focus on the clouds. I mean, it's just that crazy distortion. Does it give you a wider field of view? Just like the fisheye, yes, it's way less information than it would be to just leave it off. Now, let's do another quick thing here. This also claims that it is a macro lens. Well, that does a fairly good job of giving you some detail. But then, let's go ahead and pull this off and see whether we can do this with the regular lens. See, you can still get a pretty good macro effect out of there. So there we have it. I think you can draw your own conclusions based on what you've seen, so we'll leave it at that. If you like this video, go ahead, hit the like button, go ahead and subscribe, leave comments below. You can find me on social media, and until next time, I'm JD, and I'm out.